The Meghalaya Olympics Association had met recently to discuss on the preparations for the national games that were earlier scheduled for the year 2022. The working president of the MSOA, John F. KHARSHIING, and General Secretary of the association, F.L. PARIAT, other office bearers and members of 10 Olympic disciplines were part of the meeting held on the 15th of February 2022. John F. KHARSHIING, while speaking to reporters, informed that as per the Team Preparation Committee of the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, an estimated amount of Rs 65 crores would be needed for the various Olympic disciplines under the MSOA for the 3-year preparation of the National Games to be held this year. KHARSHIING added that MSOA will be approaching the state government for financial support towards such preparations so as to uplift talented sports persons to win laurels for the state.
Habang yakan pasokar kalong bangi yakendu Asian nginla aban batai ban omba katni klur kadai ke jinton kam lara pi kwa shisha bat sei yakiran kesai lekai tang football ka po yadu atrur tam tang football te archery mentan nga batai fi tangka equipment sikuru shooting tangka equipment ru po atrur tam te ngasomot ong ngin sala ban ai fi ke consolidated figure hati gato kan si ndre malumala nga shoot page abang apet kumni te ka poisha ka palat sampho kro shisna tamne duna pala ban ai nga kuburi kata nilai long ki dikhat aga team preparation committee ai play ya ka department ya ke asian rokhat kila shim kya ila compile ru ka na department kila compile ya ka mo ka budget ha tu kupor lada ngam bakala ka poi hadu jan repotam repokuro hisnam di I'm sorry mdi repo ka poi repo san yang mahakakat perang nginang mudur nginlong 22 hi te ke government ha ta por ko ta larangi long yang 22 ke jindo kam kerki ke jopi tinggi ai kata ka lengba ka team preparation ka budget kawan poi kasan arpo kror shisnam lada ngam bakala ka ta ka estimate tu kupor kabamut lang ikhen khat pra do arpo ar kalong kumba license ke jing kapor konkret kan lara standard do khandai di kapoi kumba ndrupo kanor de kalong kumba arpo ne khat san system di lada kalong ta kamut ngi gi action kani ka bofi omatan ru kalong ka jimbut din yang aju ka kam kalong ka jimbut din ka aju kam nomor ginong kumno mo khat pra kawan no ko sorkar dah asimpor biang bania mo bania peteng biang bania potai biang bania putin biang.
As far as infrastructure is concerned, John F. KHARSHIING informed that the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School basketball court, which almost matches Olympic standards, has been identified as an ideal ground for members of the Basketball Association to practice and prepare themselves for any tournament of national or international level. However, KHARSHIING said that more discussions will be taking place with the school authorities on such arrangements so as not to disrupt activities of the institution as far as basketball practice and tournaments of the institution are concerned.
Kita misuturat baka basketball playo mo tedring hidang don kampat menena basketball session ki kwa pesoba kerpat ke masih banyak kerem sokar badi bendon ke jinge kut ke basyai te nomor mo ke institution kadang la ka jong ka program kila makilong school kilong kadi katai kana school juki kadang ke priority teka asian bahkan use ya katai kamut kadang kampang kada ada kam di director kia penting ingin menne bak nakaleng director kila keluar pan dan ke jinge keren bahasa Inggeris bahkan aila bakin kinyok practice venue tak adu bahkan dalong ka permanent venue jungki hapo GN Stadium. Dia kata ngi laya ong saya kerja.